Good morning. Good morning, chickens. Okay, so we're getting abundance of eggs, as I'll show you in a minute here where all the eggs are. As I'm walking carefully around, the chickens have decided to be very vocal today. So last week there was no layer ration feed in town that I could find at my one go-to store. I didn't stop at the other one, unfortunately. I ran out of time. Not going to make excuses. I had feed for them to stay healthy. They're laying, and they're quite happy with the grower, finisher, and hen scratch. So yeah, an egg out in the boonies, out in the middle of nowhere. It's got frozen, so we'll deal with that. There you go, girls. Yeah, so there's a green egg right here. Hi. Green egg over in the corner. A blue egg over in the corner. I think I'll set up a little nesting box over here so they have more options. But sadly, okay, girls. I know it's -20 outside. You can see my breath here. The girls are not going outside. They're staying in, staying warm. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs where all the poopies happen. So these are gonna go out. That's yuck. Nobody wants that. And they're frozen. And they're frozen. Guys, are you sitting up on the perch and just laying an egg where you're sitting, or what? Holy silly girls. That's my partridge Brahmas singing their egg song this morning. So, yeah, I'll move their oyster shell pail. Yeah. Stop kicking the stuff up in this. You can eat it. I'll move that over here. Down a little bit. Set it up like that. Yes, I hear you. I hear you, pretty girl. Okay, I'm also going to clean out their dust bath. And I'm going to move it as well. I think I'll move it. Oh, there's a blue egg behind the dust bath. How does that even happen? Look at this. Okay, I'll move camera down here a little bit. You to come see this. So I just moved this. It's a mess. But look at that. An egg. An egg right there. What? These girls. She's got an egg in there. Like, I don't even know how old. It's a pretty young one. So that's a young chicken. So it's a small egg. Let's see. It's a small egg. So that'll also go in the pail. All right. Dusty girls. Yeah. You see yourself? Hey? So these bearded ones are gray one. And over in the back there, the white with the black speckles. Those girls are laying our colored eggs. I love colored eggs. They're beautiful. They taste the same, you guys. They taste the same. So Frankie's in there. Oh, she took that egg and put it under her. Little silly girl. All right, so I am going to town today, get some layer rations, some shavings, and all that jazz. But right now, I'm just going to feed everybody and head out. So follow along. All ready to go. All ready to go. It is freezing out, you guys. These guys still have food left. The wind was so bad. Our eaves trough just not where it was before. But yeah, I'm gonna soak this. Hi, babies! We got so much snow, like more of blowing snow. Friends of ours were out of power for like 12 hours yesterday because tree fell on power line. Watch out! Coming in. Okay. No falling down. Ugh. Whoop. I almost fell down. You guys. I need a cameraman. Or a pool boy. Or I don't know. Are you wanting to share today? I see there are other dishes over there. But look at this. I'm trying to video. Hold the food. Hold my mitt so it doesn't get snow in it. Not fall down. Okay, there's half. Over here. It's like crispy. You can almost stand on it. But then you fall through sometimes. So that makes it harder to walk in the snow. I do have snowshoes. No, I think I gave them away because I used them 2 times. Okay, girls, are you happy? Don't drop your mitt. Are you happy with that? Oh, yeah. Okay, there you go. Now you have your own dish. That's so nice. Huh? There we go. All right, let's go see the big guys. Okay, might get a little bit loud. Let's see if they'll follow me. You'll follow me? Come on, let's go. Come on. No, the gooses are not following me. Been out already once. Fed the chickens. Collected eggs. This is my second trip out. I had to bring water out. And I figured why not do that while I'm puffing the food for the pigs. So we got the wagon. Puffing food, water for the chickens. Cat's following me. Hi, kitty. I can hear Daisy. She's up at the top of her pen. Chickens are exploring a little bit more. Sunshine is out. Hi, chickens. Roosters and 2 hens are free ranging. There's a buddy. What you doing up there? Aw. Hey. Yeah, there you go. Still some feed out here. She's been walking around. She has been biting that to get in there, which I don't like. But she's a free ranger too. Fence is on. It's weirdly, no, it's not properly on. Look at that. I don't know what happened. Oh, maybe it is. Oh, the ground is still on there. Phew! Look at that. Well, now it's not. Here's how to reset the ground. And let's put it back on. But this is all crookedly. Don't think that was the wind, but maybe. It was so windy. Like I was saying, a friend of mine was out of power for like 12 hours. What was I doing? Oh, water. Okay. Got distracted. Hey. Oh, I hear you. Yeah. Yeah. You're so talkative today. Caught the door on my jacket. Let's fill this up. How's everyone doing? Hey, how you doing? Gotta spin you around. Here we go. Here we go. Let's put that down. Are you singing? Watch out. Watch out, friend. What are you doing? So loud today. So loud today. Yeah. Oh, weird. Spicy. Lid got cracked. Okay, there we go. Oh, we got chickens up on top of the nesting box. What a change from last week. They're just full of stories this week. Holy cow, ladies. Yeah. Wow, okay. Okay. Hi. Oh. Come here. Okay. Oh, I wish you could have seen that. So when a chicken gets to a mature age where she's laying eggs, she will also be at a mature age for mating. So I turned around, I heard a little hen behind me and put my hand on her back and she sat right down. Little obedient hen here. So this is one of our hens that lays colored eggs. She's an Easter egger. She has a little beard. You can see her beard. She's so pretty. So she's a mottled Easter egger. Somebody's found some snow on my... You have yolk on your back. Woo! Yes, you do. You do. Come on. Come on. She's like, no, it's the same as what I can get over here. And I don't have to let you touch me. Okay. Little bearded chicken. They're so cute. They are some that we hatched. We got eggs from Grandma Linda. And we hatched them. And this is their second season of laying. So, yay. I'm just going to check for eggs again right behind you. Oh, what? Careful. Oh, there's 3. Come on out. I hear you. There's 3 eggs under there. Let's see if I can show you. She doesn't look like she's laying in there right now. Yeah. You were just sitting on them. Little pink egg. Okay, watch out. Alright, I'm just going to grab those. Looks like 3, yeah. 3 big Brahma eggs, hey? Wondering, there's one got sat on. Cracked and then sat on, so it's a little leaky. Yeah, well, if you still need to lay an egg, you go ahead, but I think you were just sitting there. I think she was just trying to get out of the spotlight and sitting there. Look at that beautiful big egg. Oh, these will be washed. There's another one. This one has white speckles on it. You can't really see it that good. But brown egg with white speckles. This one's got a lot of calcium on it, so that's good. If they're eating the oyster shells and getting a little bit too much calcium in their diet, then just shows up here. It doesn't build up in their body. This egg that's cracked will go to the dogs. Try and get it over there without breaking it all over myself. Doesn't always happen. Anyway, let's go carry on. Another Easter egger. Here's Daisy. She's got her pan out and ready. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, spin you around. Hey, big girl. Hi, you're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Yeah. I know. It's so. There you go. Probably can't see how steep it is there, but as I was going over the fence there, my footing went. Didn't want to go for a toboggan ride without my toboggan in the pig pen. That would not be very good. Let's go see the boys. I got my 2 eggs in here. Hopefully they stay whole. Then I saw I had a thing of carrot cake mix in the house. Maybe I'll put some eggs to use this afternoon and make some cupcakes for lunch for the week. Let's go see the boys. If you don't have geese, this is what geese footprints look like in the snow. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? Just curled up? Are you pouting? Because that's a silly spot to curl up. You have like a nice house with hay in it. Here's his toy. He loves to play with that. By himself, not with you. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Hi, boys. Hi, boys. And their pan's way up there. My hand is getting cold. Of course, I don't have my mitt on. Yeah. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. Okay. Well, let's go. Let's go, boys. Yeah. Yeah, I hear you too. I hear you. I hear you. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Hold on. I should have brought 2 pails out. Then I could have put... Yeah. Well, don't bite it. Okay. Hold on. Look at their hay. They gathered it all up. Put a nice warm house. Okay. There we go. Any eggs? He got all the eggs. Okay, well you can have these too. There you go. Arnold must be... Oh, there you are. Arnold's on the other side. He's just laying down, eating with you. That's a nice boy. Such a nice boy. All right, off I go. Off I go. Have a super Saturday. Oh, gratitude from this week. What did we have? Oh, Dave and I got some nice electrical stuff done at the shop with the big highway truck. Wyatt got his little Samurai out in the yard started, figured out his four-wheel drive, got it unstuck because he was just in two-wheel drive, but he managed to get that all figured out. Just lots of joy this week. Lizzie had exam and Felicity had 2 games this week for basketball and a practice. So they're 3 in a row wins for their basketball team. Yeah, I don't know, just lots of good stuff. Good vibes at work, good vibes at home. Everybody's healthy. These getting more and more eggs, which is awesome. Yeah, shout out to everybody who's having a great week. And if you're not having a great week, I'm thinking about you too. I hope everything turns around for you. Sending out positive vibes and prayers to everybody. And stay warm. Stay warm. Cheers.